Welcome to Vlogmas, everyone, here at the Lazy A-Hole Ranch. For today's Vlogmas video, I'm gonna learn how to use a gas can. That's right, I'm 48 years old and I cannot use a gas can at all. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show Mike how I use the gas can, and then he's gonna take us through step by step on the proper way to use a gas can. Okay, so by the end of this video, you and I will all have learned how to use a gas can. That's what I've been doing.
Well, I think where it's dribbling, that might be not quite tight or flat or something.
So now it's time to learn the correct way to use a gas can. Step 1, press on the tab and turn to remove the gas can lid. Step 2, remove the nozzle from the gas can and remove the stopper from the nozzle. Sometimes this sticks, so you may have to peel this back a little bit and pry the lid off. Step 3, put the nozzle through the hole in the lid for the gas can. Step 4, we're going to attach the nozzle to the gas can. What you need to know is that this vent has to be pointing up, and this safety trigger is pointing down. Attach the lid firmly to the gas can, making sure that it is sealed tight. Next step, you're going to push up on the red portion and pull the black portion down to open the nozzle. Now we have to attempt to get this into the... This would probably be better if you had a funnel, huh? You may want to consider a funnel. But the next step is to pour the gas. Pour the gasoline into the tank. I used a gas can!
Yeah.
I am covered in gas. It's pretty full. Then do everything in the reverse order. Take the cap off. Turn the nozzle around and place into the gas can. Place the stopper on the nozzle and place the cap firmly back on the gas can. And last but not least, don't forget to celebrate your little victory. That's it. We've learned how to use a gas can. Thanks for watching, everyone. I love each and every one of you so very much. Have a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you soon. Love you. Bye. But by the end of this video, you and I will both know how to use a gas can. That's so redundant. How many times am I going to say gas can?